Hello children, today we are going to learn about question tag. Now what is a question tag? Yes, a question tag is a short questions at the end of a statement. For example, he won the prize, didn't he? Here, didn't he is a question tag. So we use question tags when we want to check if information is correct. When we answer question tags, we often use short answers. For example, you are French, aren't you? You may answer as yes, I am, or you may say no, I am not. Both these are short answers. She has got a dog, hasn't she? Yes, she has. Or no, she hasn't. Again, both are short answers. Next one, you write, don't you? Yes, I do. And no, I don't. Again, these are the short answers. They are either the positive answer or a negative answer. So, there are two types of tag, positive and negative. If the sentence contains a negative word, the question tag is positive. But if a sentence is positive, the question tag is negative. Let us look at one example. You have seen that film. Again, the answer is haven't you? Haven't you is a question tag and it's a negative question tag. Ami never goes anywhere, does she? Does she is a question tag and a positive question tag. So the question is how we can write a question tag and what is the question tag made up of. To make a question tag, we need auxiliary verb or a helping verb plus pronoun. So question tag is made up of auxiliary verb and pronoun. For example, I shouldn't laugh. So here should is an auxiliary verb. So since should not it is negative, we remove the negative not. We write should and I pronoun. Shweta was winning. Again the helping verb is was. But as Shweta is a girl, we use pronoun she. So we use the auxiliary verb that is used in the sentences with respect to that. Now, let us see if there is no auxiliary verb, then we have what to do. We have to use do or does if the sentence is in present tense and did if it is in the past tense. For example, you live near here. Here pronoun is you, live is simple present tense, so we'll use don't you. Second, you turned left. Look at the verb turned past tense, so we'll use did, so didn't you. So the pronoun here refers to the subject of the given sentence. So be clear with your pronoun children. Now, what are the steps to write a question tag? Rewrite the given sentence. Put a comma before the tag. Write the question tag and end the question with the question mark. Remember children, putting a comma and writing a question mark is very, very, very important. Look at some important forms. The contracted form is becomes isn't, are become aren't, was become wasn't, were become weren't, will not become won't, have turns to haven't, has to be hasn't, had to hadn't. Similarly, do, don't, does become doesn't, did become didn't. So with all these things, we end up with the Modal auxiliary as should, shouldn't, must, mustn't, can't, can, can't.